Hello. Good evening, guys. Good evening. I am audible. Uh, okay, good. So now we are going to learn list. What is the list and how it works? So we will see list is a linear. List is a linear collection of dissimilar, dissimilar, uh, dissimilar element. Means suppose we have multiple elements like a is equal to 5, yeah, 4. This is the integer data type, and b is equal to 3.5. This is the float data type, and s is equal to string. Like we have this type of variable. So we want to store multiple values, data type in a single variable. So we can use list like this. We want integer, float, and string, and boolean value. We can store multiple values in a single list using comma. So we have print list L. So you can see this is our output. It's running. Uh, it will take some time to execute. Okay. Okay. I don't know why it's take so much time. Okay. Now it's running. Now you can see your list is this. So this is your list, and we can perform multiple operation in this list. We can perform multiple operation in this list. So we will find the length of this list. So we have length function and provide the length of this list. Now it's running. It give me a length of this list. Length of this 4. This is our list.